Welcome to Crescendo Help International School. Come with us to experience a day in the life of our Year 1 students. After putting our bags away in our lockers, we have a variety of activities to start our learning journey each day. It is important to start the day with the right attitude to set us up for successful learning through the day. Our teachers are very kind and caring and help us get ready. One of the first lessons we have each day is maths. We use a lot of counters, cubes, and other calculating resources. This helps us develop a deeper understanding of maths. Math is always lots of fun and we always get a lot of help from our teachers. I enjoy eating with my friends in the canteen. The food is delicious and we have so many choices. I enjoy using my mini whiteboard to have a try at writing first. Our teachers show us how to write a story and then we have a go on our own. It is exciting getting to use our imaginations. Our daily phonics lessons help me with my reading and spelling. It is lots of fun learning about the phonics monsters. We have a lot of things on the walls of our classrooms to help us as we learn each day. Playing with my friends on the playground is one of my favorite times. We enjoy running around and making up games. I like going down the slide and playing Connect 4. I love music lessons and trying out all the different instruments. At the moment, we are making songs and using percussion instruments and following along to a rhythm. You have to listen carefully and follow the instructions. IBC lessons are always great and we learn about lots of different topics. Today we're doing a history task and how to order events.
I hope that's giving you a little glimpse into what life is like in Year 1 at Crescendo Help International School. Year 1 is always lots of fun and it's the start of the learning journey at Crescendo Help International School. On the 16th of November, we have a Year 1 taster class. Don't forget to sign up and register now. Spaces are limited for our Year 1 classes joining in January, so don't forget to sign up quickly and come and experience the joy of learning at Crescendo Help International School.